Okay, nothing exciting here, just the rear of the MG, but underneath I've got a couple of things. That's a Type 2 to Type 2 spare cable from MG, and that has its own carry bag and sits neatly under the boot lid, or the rear compartment lid, as does this, which is the vehicle to load adapter. So I'll just get that out and open that up, and that's the Australian version of the MG vehicle to load adapter. Has covers on each end, so I'll just get that out, plug it in, and I'll switch it back on in a moment. Okay, so we're all taken out of the box, got the cable, standard Type 2, plug it into the charge port, lights go blue, and I've got it connected to a short extension cable and then to a power monitor, which is then connected to this old 3-bar electric resistive heater, which enables me to select a few different load values, 800, 1600, or both of them at 2400 watts. So a handy load test for the MG. So let's try it out. Okay, so we're inside the car and the car's on, and we're at the standard home menu, and over in the battery window we can see there's a discharging option. Tap that and gives us an option to start. Click start. I can hear a click from the back charge port. It says preparing. Stop. Okay, let's go and try this out. First of all, let's have a look at the monitor. Okay, 217 volts, 50 hertz. That's quite low voltage. 0 amps, because there's nothing on. And 0.8 watts. I assume that's just residual consumption by the meter itself. So 217 volts. Yeah, that seems a bit low. Okay, let's turn on the heater. Start with the low setting. And we drop down to 216 volts. Still 50 hertz. Nearly 3 amps. Power factor still 100, which you'd expect from a resistive element. 639 watts. $216 volts. Okay, let's increase the power to the medium setting. Voltage is the same, just over 6 amps and 1290 watts thereabouts, 1280. Still 216 volts. Okay, let's turn it on full. Slight voltage drop to 215, still 50 hertz, 8.77 amps, 1880 odd watts, still 100% power factor, 215 volts. Interesting, that's fairly low. I would have thought it'd be at least 230. Let's turn it off. Oh, by the way, just to show, the heater's bars are glowing and it is putting out quite a bit of heat. Turn those off. Hop back in the car. And we can just stop. And I hear the click, and that's it, discharge stopped.